Hello everybody, we're back. The show continues. Welcome. Hello everyone. Sorry, you know I told you guys there will be no London stream today, so there was not. But here we are for a nice little Friday New York session. Welcome everybody. I did some checking on the chart and it seems like, I mean, it shouldn't be, I mean, it wasn't such a bad London session as far as I checked it. So let's see how the New York Open is going to go. Looking at the 1 hour chart also, if I see some level, I think we're going to take out previous day high, by the way. Oh, look at that. We just started to go there. Well, how about that? Okay. Let's see. I think it wants to go for that 529. Maybe. Anyway, we are close to the open here. 1 minute and 20 seconds to go. And previous day high was actually a PM session high. Go call Pello, welcome. Good to see you on the stream. 29.75, yeah. Maybe that's the place where it wants to go. Iron Voido, hello, servus, welcome. Less than 1 minute to go. What do we have news-wise? Oh, University of Michigan consumer sentiment. Okay, so everybody's gonna wait until 10 a.m. for the news, so we can expect sideways movement, definitely. Be careful. Sideways movement on the horizon. Low volatility. Well, I mean, only this move as I was seeing it, like it was going for a 5-minute fair value gap, and that's it. No, I wasn't at the computer. I wasn't at all. All right, here is the market open. I think, yeah. So here's the 1 minute chart. Going down a little bit. I think we're gonna have to be patient and wait for the main move. It could be sweeping the low here, which was the 9 a.m. I mean the 9 a.m. low at what's that? 24? I guess. If it's not gonna sweep that, then I don't know what's gonna happen. Obviously it doesn't have to. It looked like it want to go lower for a brief moment there. All right, what do we have? Yeah, 5 minute looks like, yeah, it should sweep that level. But it could be a bouncy ride. Could be just bouncing up there over and over until it finally goes down. Looks like it's creating a fair value gap here. Oh, there you go. Low has been taken out. Okay. There's another low at 12, I think. Yeah. There's another low on the 15 minute. Look at that. There's a fair value gap here. I think it wants to sweep that too. At 12 on the micro. It might want to take that level as well. It's visible on the 15 minute and also on the 5 minute chart too. Maybe it wants to take it. If not, oh yeah, it might be picking up liquidity from this gap at the 40s, 440s maybe. Hey Kurt, welcome back. Rob the Scalper, good morning, welcome. So that's a sell side liquidity possible. 15-minute fair value gap. 15 minutes slash 5 minute fair value gap down there. Not necessarily has to take it, but I think now it wants to reprice some levels here. This 1 minute candle should be, or gap here should be repriced. Not sure if it wants to move lower until the news. Maybe we have to wait. Hey, Shenanigan, welcome. Good to see you back. I don't know what's it gonna be. It might want to take that, or maybe not. For now, it seems like that it's gonna reprice that gap up there. We definitely stuck here. I have no trades on. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Okay, so far that's it. Everybody's gonna wait for the news. Call me Django. Hello. Didn't see you there. Welcome. I'm still looking for that previous day high, but I don't know, anything can happen. There's no first fair value gap yet. No official first fair value gap presented yet, so be careful. How often do you use OTE to enter the trades? Well, I'd say not as much as I should. I mean, if I would say like percentage-wise, I mean, maybe 20% of the time or 30% of the time, because sometimes I just can't wait to enter. For example, the OTE level for this swing, obviously it's not a good entry, but would be up here. But since the fair value gap stops at here, you know, the best option would be to have an optimal trade entry, to have a close entry as possible, like up there. Now usually as soon as the candle wicks into the fair value gap, I just enter. The cost of that is having more drawdown, so I have to deal with that. Otherwise, if you use the OTE entry, you're gonna have much better risk to reward on the winning trades, but you're gonna lose some, you're gonna miss some trades, so the train is gonna leave without you. Naomi, hello, good morning, good to see you, Naomi. No account giveaway, but that being said, I was asking Take Profit Trader, and I want to show you guys this. Because I received as an affiliate, it's not a secret because everybody on YouTube, after a certain number of users as an affiliate, is receiving bonus accounts. Now these bonus accounts are kind of like not marketing accounts, because I can trade with these accounts. Oh, how can I show you guys this? Oh, this one, this here. So look at this. I just received this email 4 hours ago from Take Profit Trader, so you guys can see it 4 hours ago. And I was asking the question, so I have 350k test accounts in my credit. Is it possible to give it away? That's what I was asking. I have a YouTube channel where I stream every day, and I thought I would give these accounts away in my community. Is it possible? This is what I was asking them. So the answer is yes, it is possible. You just need to give us the email of the person you want to give the accounts to, and we will transfer it to. Basically, that's it. So I have the green light 4 hours ago from Take Profit Trader, Anastasia from Take Profit Trader support, that I can give away the 350k accounts for you guys. And that is why I don't have it set it up yet. So I can confirm this, and this is the proof that there is going to be 150k account giveaway, 350k account giveaway, and I'm super happy about that. And so there you go, we swept that low. So I can confirm that there is going to be Take Profit Trader giveaway. The accounts that I received as a bonus account as an affiliate, I'm going to give it away. 150k accounts, 3 accounts actually. So all they need, so it's only valid if you have an account with Take Profit Trader, and I'm gonna have to set up the giveaway link, because we're not gonna do it on as we used to do the cash giveaway. There's gonna be a raffle, a third-party thing. So if you wait for it, I'm gonna post it out after the stream over the weekend sometime. It's gonna go out on Twitter, YouTube, everywhere where you can join, and the giveaway is gonna be on until at least 2 or 3 days next week. Okay, it's gonna be 350k accounts. So this is the announcement I told you guys yesterday, but I didn't have the green light only 4 hours ago. They told me it's okay, we can do something, but they wanted to confirm it as in an email. So I received the email today. So that's the good news. No giveaway today, but otherwise there's going to be a giveaway for 350k accounts. Take Profit Trader. That's the good news. Okay. I could be trading those accounts. I'm giving to you guys. No, it's not a big deal. Don't worry. Hey, Natasha, good to see you. Thank you. I'm a cool guy. How am I celebrating with the payout? I'm not particularly celebrating yet, but I'm happy. But I will celebrate. I think we're gonna go have some nice dinner somewhere over the weekend. I think that's what we can do. Smiley, hello. Oh, I didn't read that. You deleted it. Okay, we're sweeping Sasa liquid. So just one more thing. Oh, thank you, Shenanigans. So just a summary. 100% promise, because I have the confirmation email from Take Profit Trader. I'm gonna put this thing together. I used to use that viral sweep thing that you guys already know. I used it. I'm gonna put it together, and we're gonna have the link on every stream and on the YouTube and Twitter everywhere. So you'll be finding it everywhere. And you will have time to enter, and we're gonna pick the winner sometime during next week, Wednesday, Tuesday, or maybe earlier. Okay, so the only thing, you have to have an account with Take Profit Trader, but don't worry, we will work on that. So it's actually an account giveaway, not cash prize. Smiley, I'm satisfied. Overall, not the. I could have done better. I did some stupid things. I would say I could be having at least, worst case scenario, like $6,000 more. Actually, I just updated the numbers yesterday. This year, including the latest payouts, I made $29,801. So almost $30,000 in payouts. Almost 30,000. I could be having at least 36,000 this year, but I was an absolute stupid moron about 3 months ago by blowing up $5,000 in Apex ready for payout. I just had to flip it, and then I had one more account anyway. But my expenses are totaling up to 10,000. Actually, now I just purchased another Take Profit Trader. I had to add this too. Hold on. I just purchased another Take Profit Trader account. Actually, I'm going to purchase one more. Anyway, right now I'm standing at $10,200. It's a round number, 10,200. That's my expenses for this year. And my payouts are at 29,801. So $10,200. 29,801 is my payouts. 10,200 expenses. I would say let's divide it 4.5. Okay. So monthly average net profit is $4,355 on payouts from prop firms, from trading. It's not affiliate thing. From trading, payouts net profit is $4,355. Obviously, it's before tax. Now, after tax, if I'm able to put it down to 25 to 30%, I'm gonna go with 27%. So let's go with like 73. If I pay the tax, I should be getting away a little bit above $3,000 net profit after tax, after expenses and everything per month. And for me, it's a good achievement, I must say, especially, you know, when I look back 2 years ago. Thank you, Chase Smith. Hey, thank you. Yeah, shenanigan, definitely. That's why I'm saying don't give up. Definitely not give up, and have to scale. This takes time, and you have to scale it. You know, that's the idea. That's the idea. But you know, it takes time. Takes a lot of stupid things you still have to suffer, and also I have to suffer still, but it's part of the game. A millionaire, well, no, I don't think, Smiley, I mean, I wish, but I don't think, yeah, Patrick Wieland made now $2 million, but let's not forget, you know, this is without affiliate payouts, okay, so yes, it's not that kind of game where you become a millionaire, but definitely you can make a fair living from trading futures, I think. Martin, good morning. One thing is for sure, if I be making hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, I don't think I want to put a car in the background, even a real car. I mean a supercar. I mean, I like supercars. I love them. But Patrick Wieland, for example, said he pays for it in cash. And that's a huge depreciation of money. Because even though he buys a McLaren or like last time, what did he purchase? A Ford Mustang, or I don't know what he has. Putting cash money into supercars is a huge risk and depreciation. So I would definitely be having a car for a lease. You know, why would I put all the cash into a car? I would lease it for my small company, and that's it. I mean, I like supercars too, and I would be definitely having some very fancy car, but paying out $1 million for cars in cash, I don't know, man. I don't know. How much is a McLaren in Romania? Well, I live in Hungary. I don't know how much is it in Romania, but I guess the same price. Here a McLaren, depending on which model you're buying, I guess you can have one for, depending on which model, you know, on average 150 to 300K in US dollars, depending on which type you're buying. Oh, definitely. Definitely, Smiley. That was a grind. That was a grind. But finally, we're getting somewhere. And I told you guys, it was and still is a huge thing for having a community like you. So I can be here full time on YouTube. And I thank you, everybody. Even the ones who are just watching, and the ones who are using my code, and the viewers, everybody. So I am mostly grateful that I can do what I like. I mean, I love trading, and I can be here full time, and I'm very grateful for that. Okay, we swept these lows, by the way, and that's why I'm waiting. I'm still aiming for that 529 up there. But I guess the market is waiting for the University of Michigan numbers. So 10 a.m. I guess until 10 a.m. we're not going to see anything special. Oh, and by the way, I have bad news too. While we're waiting, I have bad news as well. What's the saying? Easy come, easy go. Or what they say, the Lord give it, the Lord took it away. So, so why I'm saying that is because I have blown up my Take Profit Trader account, and I have lost 3 Apex accounts yesterday. I have lost the lucky number 56 Apex account, which had 4 payouts. I lost it yesterday, and I lost the Take Profit Trader account, which I received the payout from. it started. I mean, I was copy trading 3 Apex accounts. One of those were the number 56, which I received 4 payouts, and that one I had only like $800 of drawdown. So that wasn't a big surprise actually. The other Apex account had only $500 in profit, so not a big hardship there. The other one was technically above $2,000 in profit. Anyway, these were copy traded yesterday, PM session. I don't even know how it happened. I'm not really sure. I think I wanted to go long, but it just went down there and it took me out. And then I went on tilt when I chopped myself up on the Apex accounts. I went on tilt on the Take Profit Trader account and I blew it as well. So that's a sad story. So I lost overall 4 funded accounts. 4 funded accounts are lost. So I was having 6 Apex funded accounts. Now I'm having only 3. 3 Apex accounts. I have actually 4 Bulenox accounts. I just have to ask support to activate the 4th one. So I have 3, that's 6, 1 more, that's 7. I have a Funded Futures network, that's 8, and that's it. I'm down to 8 funded accounts currently. So I just purchased a new top Take Profit Trader test account, and I'm gonna purchase another one. But the Funded Futures network account is looking good, getting closer to payout. Because of the consistency rule, I think I have to push this up to $1,300. I mean, $3,300. Then I'm gonna request $1,300 from this. I lost a lot of Ks because you fell asleep. Oh no. No, Natasha. Natasha. Oh my god. I'm sorry to hear that. Well, it happens. You know what? At least on the weekend we can reassess, you know, recharge and look forward to the next week. But you know, I think you're more than capable of you know, getting it back, and that's it. I know you will make it back, Natasha. I'm sure you'll make it back. I'm sorry to hear that. So, by the way, losing these 3 Apex accounts, it didn't really hit me that hard. Hey, don't worry about it, Natasha. It's gonna be next week. It's gonna be back. Don't worry. You're gonna have it back next week. And as I was saying, I wasn't really upset about the Apex accounts. Like, it's like like, okay, whatever. I was a little bit sad about the Take Profit Trader account. That was a little bit like, oh man, I was having a daily payout account. So that was a little bit like, man. But hey. Weed was amazing. Well, as long as you had a good time, you know, that's it. Yeah, macro incoming. I mean, it's already here. The macro is already here since a few minutes. all right. Natasha, thank you for joining. Have a good one. Have a good time. Have a good time. Yeah, we will get it back. Everyone is gonna. It happens. Yeah, close the chart. Yeah, the news are coming in 3 minutes. Everybody's waiting for that. I'm prepared to look for that 529 level. And that's it. That's it. Let's look for the left. I'm curious if there's an order block up here. No, there's none. Okay. No order block there. Well, almost an order block on the 15-minute, but we'll see. Ludafish Savage, hello. I'll be getting some of those daily payouts. Let's go, Ludafish. I strongly urge everybody to try out Take Profit Trader because nothing feels better. I'm telling you guys and gals, the feeling to have daily payouts, it almost like, yesterday I said this, like having a real account. The feeling is the closest like to having a real account with no rules. You can basically do what you want, except don't trade the big news. That's it. Benz, hello. What's going on? Good to see you. Daily profits. Oh, yeah. Exactly, Ludafish. Exactly. Exactly. So, I know it's a little bit more expensive than a cheap upfront cost Bulenox or Apex account, but man, once you get to that safety net level, it really feels like it would be your real money account. And you can close your account anytime and walk away with 50% of your safety net. So that's also a good thing. Okay, here comes the news. Less than 1 minute. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, here's the news candle. Here is the news candle. Did it make a new low? On the micro it didn't, and not on the mini as well. Swept some lows here. Let's be patient. Exactly, Ludafish. Yeah. If you're above that buffer, you can easily shoot for a K, for $1,000 if you know what you're doing. Absolutely. Exactly. Oh, Naomi, be careful. Yesterday, I was FAFOing like on level 10. I switched to level 10, I found out, so careful. Naomi, careful there. I'm not in a position. Martin is jumping into a long. I kind of like the idea also. Not sure if this one wants to push it. I can imagine that we go above the 500, by the way. Why not? Technically, on the 1 minute, this here created a bearish order block. So right here is a bearish order block, and the high of the order block is here. What if it wants to break that 504 and go higher to previous day? I can imagine this one going higher. Maybe it does. Who knows? I'm measuring risk here. Took a small long position. Targeting that 504 high. And I'm just curious if it wants to go up there. Very small position. Here it is. That's the long position I took. I'm risking about $75. So not a big deal. $400 entry. Oh wow, you caught it right there. Yeah, I'm just looking for this one to break the order block on the 1 minute. $393. Oh, yeah. Oh man, that was way down there. I mean, we can still go down because it didn't break the low. So that's why it's a risky trade. Stop loss in profit. That's how you do it. Rejection is again. Yeah, could be. Could be the issue again. Man, this is gonna go to the dumpster again. I was really hoping that it's gonna be a nice little trade. Well, what can we do, right? Oh man, it wants to take me out, or what's the deal? I mean, this was the news candle basically, the 10 a.m. open, so maybe it's gonna take it out, or maybe not. Oh, I'm just gonna wait. Seems like we are stuck in a range again. It's coming down. Go to the moon. Well, I think it can still go down, obviously. I wonder if it wants to test the 400s again on the downside, or is it good? Is it just gonna shoot up? Ranging. It's ranging now. Hovering at my entry, and I'm wondering if it wants to test lower. It might want to go higher. It's just accumulating positions, but I don't know what the market wants with this. Five-minute looks interesting. Bit of a down move here. Not much. It might want to sweep that candle low down there. I'm not sure. I think it did. Is it equal low? I think it is. Oh man, I don't like this. What a shame. I really wanted this to work. I have a bad feeling that it's gonna go lower. Yeah, the same thing is happening, but now, like, we're gonna be super patient. If it takes me out, okay, no problem. I'm just curious how's it gonna go as we approach the lunch hour. I'm just kind of curious. Even if it goes down now, the more time it spends here in this area, and even if it sweeps the lows there, I would be still keeping an eye out for that 504 up there, 500 level for later. But oh, there's an update, by the way, on Quant Tower. I should update that. So let me check the 15-minute. Yeah, pretty much a range. Unfortunately, I think it might want to go down. Look at this. It's very, very, very bad. That's why this was just a very small position. I'm gonna restart my Quant Tower here to update. Okay. Hello, Teacher FX. What's up? Just looking at this chop right now. Why is my Quant Tower not restarting? $405 up 430. Nice. That's good. Don't worry about it, little fish. I think it's definitely good. Drop a like. Took profits at 40. Did it? Oh, nice. I didn't know it popped into 40. Hey, Trader Yamil, what up? Go long 450s. Yeah, I'm in a long position. I just restarted my quant tower, but I'm in a long position. Only one micro. Yeah, I'm looking for. I think the draw on liquidity to rip this through is 504.50. That's what I think, and I think it will go there sooner than later. So my trades are in profit, back to profit actually. I'm copy trading this to 2 of my accounts. Look at that. Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go. I'm actually looking for a trade here. Do I want to be aggressive? I don't know. I don't want to add to it. I'm okay. Interesting, interesting. Let's see. Oh, I see. I mean, well, that makes me even more curious how this is gonna end. Bit of a pullback here. Okay, nothing special. It might go back to the range. Who knows? After yesterday and what we saw yesterday and Wednesday, anything is possible. So. It was perfect, you say. Well, let's see. It's getting a little bit weak here. I'm going to retest lower. Yeah. The problem is we have these relative equal lows down there. Kind of makes me a little bit nervous. Not nervous actually because small risk. So 1 micro, I don't have anything to be nervous for. But it might want to sweep those levels. And if that's so, I might even close the trades. If we're going back down again to the 400s, I think I'm just gonna close everything. So I'm letting it ride, definitely for now. I mean, I predetermined the risk, so let's see what it does. Actually, there was a small gap here. It might picked up some orders that it wants to deliver to the downside. I can also imagine that. But for now, we are in the chop again. We are in the chop fest again. Going sideways, maybe. Yeah, let it just, carve its way out and we'll wait. Exactly. Exactly. Let's let it do its thing. By the way, I'm curious what the magical MetaTrader indicators are saying. I haven't started it yet. Yeah, it also says it could be bullish. I haven't checked on gold. That's the thing. All right, let's wait for it. I mean, I'm long, so I'm just kind of waiting. I'm just kind of waiting. Looking for that high right there. Nobody said it's gonna be a simple task. Oh man. 480s, yeah, that's a good area. Exactly. That's what stops are for. Yeah. Yeah, so much. I mean, as for now, this movement is not so convincing. But as I said, if we would turn down to the 400s again, I might even close the trade and just, yeah, this is what I was afraid of. Hey, William. Is this bearish flag? No, I don't think. I mean, I don't really like the way it looks. Yeah, I'm closing this. I am closing the trade. I didn't like it. So I decided to exit, pull the trigger. Let's see what it does. We're gonna have a new 5. Oh, we have the new 15 minutes, sorry, already. It's already here. I wonder if it wants to tag the 390s down there. I'm gonna watch this closely. Just in case. Alright. What is going on here? Is it gonna tag the 90s or what? Bit of annoying price action. $400 is holding. reversal. I don't know, so far the 400 was holding. If this one is reversing here, I don't know. What was the low on the mini? It didn't go lower. Hmm. 91 actually holding. Interesting. Very interesting. I think I did a good thing for exiting that trade earlier with a small loss. Actually, I lost $22 on that one. Hard to decide what to do here. That was the sweep. Martin is saying that was the sweep. Yeah, maybe we have to look for the short side right now, but I don't see anything down there that I like. No order blocks, no gap, nothing. Not even on the 1 hour. I mean, if we zoom out, definitely there's a very nice area, but that would be like, that sell-off would be almost 1,000 points. But Nasdaq can do it, obviously. Nasdaq is capable of anything. Hey, don't worry about it. Yeah, Emil, there was no problem with that. It was your opinion, and actually, as you see, I closed it manually earlier. I only suffered $22 of loss from that, so it's okay. It's all right, man. This week is definitely also it's definitely not my week in terms of picking the right side. Especially the New York AM sessions. I mean, look at these AM sessions. Look at yesterday. Absolute terrible. Absolute terrible. And what was the one before? Oh yeah, here. Look at this. These are New York AM sessions. Absolute chop fest. Chop, chop, chop. PM sessions are better now. I guess it's because the news are not that big. There's no specialty driving the markets today. Yeah, this week New York has been a total pain. I guess it wants to take out 61 now. Man, I have a headache. I have to take a painkiller, man. I have to get a painkiller. I don't know what's with me, but I have to take a painkiller. Don't worry, I'm not gonna shut down the stream or anything. I'm actually curious what's gonna happen. I have to take a painkiller. I'll be right back. Okay, what is happening? I went for some water. I need to drink some water. Okay, what's up with the lows here? Thinking summertime. Yeah, during earlier in the afternoon, pretty much. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, water. Here's the water. Oh, I'm drinking water from my shaker. But who cares? Okay, it swept the lows. Going lower. Still just going lower. Okay, there's no stopping at this. Picking the lows. Okay, I have to check on the 1 minute. Is there a fair value gap that worth? Okay, there is a fair value gap on the 1 minute. Who knows? It could be a possible target. $38. And it's right there. Yep, it's going down there. And there she goes. 1 minute fair value gap was at 38.25. Yeah, it tapped it, so PM session low yesterday. Next one. What a meltdown. 303. It seems like it wants to hit it. Careful with the bounce. PM session low. Okay, nice bounce here. Hey, Raj. Hey, congratulations. Congratulations for the payout, man, Raj. That is awesome. Nice job. H1 ribbon start back. That shit nice. Yeah, Lizelle, I'm surprised as well. I'm quite surprised. Hmm. Interesting. I almost said that this is an order block, but the only problem is that it didn't take liquidity, but it can still go higher to what's that level? 69.75. I think it wants to, maybe. Yeah. Maybe it wants to go for that. I mean, that's the first available gap up there. On the 1 minute. Strong move here, that's for sure. Copy trading 10 PAs. Man, you have your nerves are made from steel, man. But congrats. By the way, yeah, yesterday's power hour wasn't that bad. I mean, as I looked it back, I mean, yeah, I lost accounts. I went crazy, but that was before. But the power hour wasn't that bad yesterday. What a bounce here, right? 5-minute liquidity level is at 92.75. That's a 5-minute gap up there. I wonder if it wants to reach for that. It might want to. I mean, it's kind of close. And it went for it. Bears have control, right? The high is 92.75. This one has the high of 92.50. Almost went up there. It almost made it. Yeah. Interesting. Still have time from the 15-minute candle. We are in the macro right now. That's true. And what did the mini do? Just kind of curious. The mini actually took it. The mini took the 5-minute there. The micro didn't. $92.25. Yeah, the mini went up there. The micro didn't. Just trying to measure how far can this liquidity push go. Maybe finally it's gonna go down. Look at that, it's still pushing. It's still pushing that 92.75 there. There you go. Now it took it. Very interesting. So where is it gonna go? I would be very surprised if this one would just push it back to that range. Okay, bit of a pullback here. Hmm. Could go, maybe. Maybe I'm just gonna take a small trade here. Okay, just a small one. Let's see. Enter the long at 98, aiming for 18. I'm just aiming for 18. It's a dangerous one. Just looking to get up to that fair value gap. Oh, the 7,000 tick chart. Yeah, haven't really checked it, but I will. I mean, I'm not sure. I never really used it. The tick chart. I know it's good. 453 looks smooth. Yeah, I'm looking at this one here too. This 1 minute candle. Has to be some liquidity right there. And the first fair value gap actually, and where's the first one? It's actually right here. There has been no first fair value gap. Well, on the micro there is one here, but on the mini and the micro, the first one is up there. 1045 started a buy model. 1045, you say? Oh, I see. Oh no, my trade is going to a stop. I got stopped out. Well, it happened just like that. Maybe it still wants to go down to that PM session low. The new hour is coming. Yeah, I went long in these highs. Yeah. Yeah, but I got stopped out. So I re-entered again right now at 390. Targeting 417.75. I can actually show you guys. I just don't know which one is it. Where is it? After the sweep. I actually wanted to have a bigger stop, so I re-entered. Well, I know, but I'm just scalping here, so. Not looking currently for a full structure shift. Just looking for mostly a retest. Let's see, the high is 14.50. If we hit the 14.50, I might even close down half of the position. How about that? Actually, I'm gonna do that. Let's just wait for it, because that's an hourly. No, not hourly. That's the high of the 15-minute candle. So I just want to make sure if it breaks the high, I can actually take some of it off. If it's turning down again, it's fine. At least I know. I F around and find out, you know. the FEFO factor. I don't like this. Yeah. Yeah, I'm checking the 1 hour as well. Man, this long wick, I don't like it. I don't like it. Man, I thought that this is gonna still reach up there. This is a very dangerous position. Oh my. I might actually have to close it. No. 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 Didn't okay. Yeah, it turned red. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close it. I mean, I had worse trades, that's for sure, but I just thought that we're gonna break that 15-minute and reach into that small gap, but it's not pushing it there. Man, it was looking good. It was looking good. All right, closing it. It's not worth it. Yeah, because there is a low at 74.75, and the other wick is went down to 75. So with just one tick, and there is a 1 minute fair value gap below 74.75. Bit of a nasty one. So I don't like that. Better to stay out from this. Bro, are you kidding with me? I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna actually rage quit the whole stream, guys. I don't care. I close the trade and it goes up to my... Anyway. This is just bullshit. I'm sorry, I'm calling it full bullshit. It's a huge crap, a pile of huge bullshit. I'm calling it. Total bullshit. Man, if it goes to 14.50 and that's... I mean, I'm gonna go crazy on this. Oh no, don't worry about the advice. I was the one who made the decision. So it's not about that. Don't worry, everybody. It's not about that. I basically I try to hold on to my trade analysis. So whatever you guys are saying, I treat it with respect, and I always listen to everybody, you know, about their opinions. But if I make my trade, I mean, if I put on my trade, I try to hold on to it. So, but it does look like it wants to reach down for that that level down there. But what can we do, right? It is what it is. This is a difficult level, so that's the thing. That's the thing. It's a difficult level. Nothing wrong with this. It's just a difficult level, that's all. Look at that. So you guys were right, actually, because it swept this, and I was right too. I mean, partially, because it swept this this level. My stop loss was just here in this gap, so it would have taken out my stop eventually. So it went down into the small gap, but I'm still curious about this level. So maybe if not this one, but like that 418 level, I kind of like that for scalping purposes. obviously. Yeah, I saw. I'm seeing on my other screen here to my left. I'm watching the 1 hour too. Yeah. Look at that. And now it's going for that 418. Unreal. Unreal. Well, who cares, right? Who cares? $418, man. I don't even care anymore. But it's still a choppy market. What is happening here? I have to reconnect to Rhythmic. Anyway, look at that. We're gonna go for that 418. Oh, JJ. All right, I'm checking it out. Thank you. Nice. That's awesome. Yeah, bullshit price action. Zacromonster, I can tell you that, like, this is like the same as here. Look at that. Yesterday and I don't know, I don't know when it was. Yesterday and before yesterday anyway. Full crap in New York sessions. Absolute crap. I look at the 1 minute. It's like it's a joke, actually. But 418 is the drawn liquidity. I'm officially calling it that 418 is the draw on liquidity. Whatever is going to happen here, it's going to pop the 418. It's just, it's not even a question, man. It's going to pop it. Yeah, it's 418. It should go there. Sooner or later. Maybe not now. Maybe it's gonna take some time, but sooner or later. Anyway, I'm gonna wait. Oh no, it's not going. It's not going. Very crappy price action. All right. All right, Camille. Yeah, that 418 is like, it's kind of close. It's still there. You got the cheat codes. Nice. Look at that. I'm not gonna chase it, by the way, because Murphy's Law, if I jump into a long, even a heavy long position, it's just gonna chop me up. But 418. You're getting 3 times 50k eval accounts next week, and we'll be, hey, thank you so much, Zacromancer. Thank you. Which prop firm? Well, if you have the extra cash for it, I would go for Take Profit Trader, by the way. And as I told you guys earlier in the stream, I'm giving away 350k Take Profit Trader accounts. I got the green light a few hours ago from Take Profit Trader. So I'm going to be putting out the link on Twitter, YouTube, here in the stream as well. Not right now, but after the stream, I'm going to work on it on the weekend. So 350k accounts giveaway next week. And you can participate with the usual stuff that we used to put out there. You know, follow me on social media, blah, blah, blah. You know, just some usual tasks. And we're going to pick the winner on Wednesday or Thursday, maybe. So it will be on. You need one. You lost a few. Hey Tony, not exactly in London. Next week someday. I mean, it's not gonna be a cash prize. It's going to be a Take Profit Trader account specifically. So I'm gonna let you guys know about the details as much as I can. I will put out everything. I already made a review video for Take Profit Trader, so I'm going to be saying more in the details there. And there's going to be a link in the streams and on YouTube and on the social media on the post tab, so everything will be out there. 350k accounts for giveaway. I got the email a few hours ago from Take Profit Trader. These accounts would be my accounts as an affiliate, but I decided to give them away. And they said, okay, all I have to do is just have the winner's email sent to them, and they are going to give you guys the credit, the winner. So yeah, no activation. Thank you, Yamil. So yeah, no activation fee. Still one of the best promos out there. I mean, I like the no rules and everything. But anyway, let's see. Oh, look at this. My super special indicators. I'm closing that. But in the meantime, until we're waiting, let's do the commercial. If you would like to support the channel, you know what to do. If you just want to have a good time, a vacation with your family, maybe just a healthier life, or everything to get better, you know what to do. Use the best codes in prop firms, which is Tom Sabo. Gives you the best deals, the best discounts, the best everything you need. The best pass-through rate too. So don't forget, support the stream. Thank you so much. I couldn't do it right now. I whiffed. So anyway. I whiffed. That was not too good. I know. By the way, don't tell this to anyone, but I already hired a guy to create a commercial with the same music, and we are going to be using movie scenes and backgrounds and stuff, and it's gonna be funny. I can tell you that. Like a professional. Actually, we want to do a commercial, but it's a little bit more difficult. There is a guy in my neighborhood, he lives very close. I know this guy. He has a brand new Porsche 911. I don't know if it's a GT something. I don't know. It has, you know, all the stuff on it. It's a white Porsche 911 Cabrio, so with the top down. And the other day I told him that, hey man, listen, could you be so kind so we can use your car for a commercial? And he said, oh yeah, sure, no problem, because he knows that I'm streaming. And I said, listen, it would be so awesome to use your Porsche for a stream. I mean, for a commercial. And he said, okay. So we did not talk about the details, but he said I can call him anytime, and he's willing to. That's a brand new, the newest model, and he said I can use his Porsche for a commercial if I want to. So we were talking about a script that I dress up like Leonardo DiCaprio in Wolf of Wall Street, like, you know, ties and suit and everything, and I'm gonna be holding a glass of champagne in my hand, and I just stop with the Porsche and I step out like, hey, do you want the best, you know, all the stuff. And I just throw away the champagne from the Porsche, like, there you go. Something like that. But the script is still, you know, at least we have a nice car for it. But obviously there's going to be some funny twists in that commercial, which I don't want to say, but but it's gonna be funny. We're only working on the script. There is this guy who is making the commercial, and he's already having some very good ideas. How we definitely have to make it funny, obviously, because I don't own these stuff, so we have to make it funny somehow. And we're gonna be using movie cuts and backgrounds, and we're working on a good script of what to say, but something like this, you know, something like this. It's gonna be a funny one. Yeah, I'm definitely staying flat. Yeah, it's gonna be funny. Look at this price action. It's absolutely disgusting to see this price action. One more spike down. Man, this is actually exhausting. I still stay by the fact that 418 should be hit sooner or later. Oh man, this price action. This is just so bad. Look at it. We're gonna go for 418. 418, definitely. In the cards. By the way, today is the last day for the buy one, get one for free at Funded Futures Network. Just saying. Look at that. They're popping there. So, last day to get 2 accounts for $75 with no activation fee. Just saying. I think it's definitely a great deal. It is definitely a great deal. There you go. 418. MB, hello. 15-second fair value gap. Yeah. If you know where you want to go, I mean, you can utilize those small time frames. Yeah. We went for that 418. Yeah, funded future promotion is buy one, get one for free. So basically, it's no activation also. So 50% off, no activation, and buy one, get one for free. $75 for a 50K account. So again, I'm saying $75. And if you send your receipt, which you're going to get in a PDF document, you send it back to support, you are going to get a 100% coupon code, which makes you a free account, a 50K account, for example. Any size, by the way. It's working. Not any size. I mean, obviously they have, that's more expensive. But anyway, you're going to have another extra account. So basically, a 50K account with no activation fee is going to cost you $37.50. That is the cheapest one ever, with no activation fee there. So including everything, I mean, no activation fee there. So that's the cheapest, man. It doesn't get any cheaper than that. They only have, I mean, hold on. Do they have TRADEIFY? I think they have Rhythmic only. They have Rhythmic. Yeah. Disciplined Trader, Alicia, hello. Yes, I think it's a good promotion. I'm actually having a funded account with them. I blow up the other funded account, but here it is. I have a funded account, which is right now sitting at $3,022. I'm going to be requesting... well, I'm going to have to go until 3,300 because my biggest day was 500 after reaching the safety net. So then I'm gonna request $1,300 from this. So yeah. By the way, I just secured another payout from Bulenox. So this one is at $3,642, and the other account is also at $3,665. So $2,000 at least is coming in from Bulenox. The only problem is that today is only the 8th trading day, so I cannot request it for next week. I have to wait for the week after next week to get this payout, but at least it's secured. So that's a good thing. Let's go, Ludafisk. Yeah, see the money, take the money. That's it. That's it. So I still have to take trade a little bit on the Funded Futures Network account, but hopefully I can take a payout next week. And that's it. That's it. Ah, I see. All right, everybody. I think I'm gonna call it here. I'm overall green. Small loss, $24 on those Apex accounts. 2 Apex accounts actually are in a loss. One Apex account. By the way, I have to tell you guys something. I have a strategy here for one of my Apex accounts. The strategy is that because I'm left with only 3, I'm gonna get more next week. By the way. So these are the losses, $22 on this one and $27 down on this one. But this one, I'm up $1,000 today. Now the plan is that I'm going to go super aggressive on this account. I don't care about the 30% rule. I don't care about the consistency rule. I mean, I do care about the consistency rule. I'm gonna try to push this account up to $4,000 or $5,000 at least. I'm gonna request a payout. I think I'm gonna get denied, by the way. I don't care. But so the strategy, maybe I'm exploiting the system. Who knows? But I'm gonna push this super aggressively up to $4,000 at least, maybe higher, 5,000, and I'll see how it goes from there. So today $1,000 on this. I'm gonna be super aggressive on this Apex account, super aggressive. So anyway, thank you so much everybody for watching. It was a very crappy price action, that's for sure, but I did enjoy. MyFundedFutures 141. Yeah, I mean that there's no promo there. I mean the promo there is 30% off from expert accounts expires today and 5% off from everything. And for new customers at MyFundedFutures, 50% off from the first purchase if you're brand new with MyFundedFutures. Any account, 50% off. Check it out. I think that's a good deal. So thank you so much everybody. I am very grateful for everyone who stood out with me this week on the streams in London and New York as well. I can't wait to start next week. Let's get strong, and I would like to say God bless you all. Recharge over the weekend. If you would like to support the stream and the channel, I would highly appreciate you guys to use my code, even for resets, best deals. I'm also with Lucid Trading as well, so if you want to go with Lucid Trading, Tom Sabo code works there as well. And some good deals. Check it out. Thank you so much. God bless you all, everybody. I'll see you guys Monday in London session. All right. God bless. Cheers, everyone.